It's 5 o'clock. No, it's 5 after 8.
Why don't you turn it around?
Hello friends, we are back. It's the 2nd of April and the weirdos are back. We are setting sail today. We're leaving Gran Canaria and Las Palmas after 3 months, and we are going to hopefully Fuerteventura.
Yay!
So wish us luck. I mean, when you see this, you
will know how it ended, but still.
Yeah. So an exciting 4th and maybe for a while last season of AGH sailing.
No, it'll be last season. I don't know what he's talking about.
There will be a little.
Anyway, we are now commencing the great journey north. And we start by going to Fuerteventura,
which is east.
Small steps.
Okay, we all ready?
Let's go.
Hopefully we are late. Okay, we ready? Ready. Started.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Okay.
Come on, Kai, we're going. Are you ready for adventure? We gotta go and find some dolphins. Bye bye, Las Palmas. How's the captain?
Good. Excited.
Yeah, the deckhand is not doing her job because she's currently being the camerawoman as well. Luckily, Dory can sail all by herself. She doesn't really need us at all. The hallbergrassy is that good, right?
Yeah.
And you probably can't hear anything from a very noisy mobile panda. Oh, and we have a little ass crack. Good morning, everyone. Yes, sails up at 8:18. We're still going with the motor.
They're here, I think.
Oh, the research.
Yeah. A little update. Sun is shining, the wind is slowly picking up, but really it's much less than expected, and we have had to motor for quite a while. We can now clearly see Fuerteventura, the south tip. We plan to stay there a few days and tuck our way up to make it to Lanzarote, and then hopefully a nice northeast wind will come and we can sort of make it over to Madeira. Yeah. Hopefully the wind will pick up, because currently we're only doing 3 knots and gonna arrive at midnight, which is not really fun. So, but it should pick up, so it will.
How's it going?
The internet is too slow.
Do you know what? We have this thing called Starlink for this very purpose.
Right, we haven't paid for the mobile data.
Alright, you keep fighting in there then. Proud of you. And out here it's all very exposed. There you go. Going really well. 6.5 knots. Offshore. Steady seas. Beautiful views. And we'll be in the anchorage in time for dinner. Right, Kai? Yeah. Very happy doggy. We're all very happy to be back out here. Aren't we, Kai? Yes. What did we just see, babe?
A massive shark.
Honestly, where's Kai?
Behind you.
So,
Oh, but I was just looking and then I saw something diving down. I thought it was dolphins. But then I look and it's like a 2.5 meter shark just casually swimming by with the fin out, like
right past the boat.
yeah.
Like, we could almost have reached down and touched
I'm
it.
not going surfing. I've been surfing there when we first arrived.
It was big. They have quite a lot of mackerel sharks around here, I think. So that must be it. But that is like the third shark you see from the boat while sailing in this very area.
The rest I didn't see so clear. This one we saw, like it was 2 meters from the bow and I saw it.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, it was really cool.
And
it's really cool when you're on the boat. If you're in the water or on a supboard, not so much. Not very cool.
We have the line out.
Kai, come in here, babe.
Luckily it didn't went for the line.
Yeah.
Or if we had a fish now, it would have gone for the fish in the line. But I think we started it. I think because I saw something like dolphins in front of us, and I think it was maybe on the surf, and it kind of made a little U-turn.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have smashed it with our 7 knots here.
Poor shark.
Yeah.
That was really cool.
Yeah, I'm glad you saw it.
Yeah. We all saw it, but we didn't get it on camera. It was a split-second thing, so you have to take our word for it.
Yeah.
But it was big.
Or not if you want to come here and surf, kite surf. Maybe it's better if you don't believe it. You will be more relaxed.
Well, there have never been any recorded shark attacks around here, as far as I know. So, yeah, still. There's always a first, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to be it. So anyway, Leo says I'm being ridiculous. I'm saying it's kind of odd because I've heard nobody else say that they have seen sharks while sailing here. And Leo's seen 3 now.
Yeah, but I'm special.
Either Leo is special, which he is in some ways, or they are attracted to Kai's scent.
Yeah, we also saw the rhesus dolphins today, and nobody else has seen them, so...
Okay.
I think most people are a little bit blind.
Was that the shark?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Anyway, we will take good care of you, Kai. We won't let any sharks get near you. No.
Yeah, I'm not going between Kai and the shark.
You're a bad doggy daddy.
Dirty animal. Shark bite.
Bait.
Shark bait. Stand your ground.
We finally arrived at Fuerteventura, almost. I think anchor down in maybe 30 minutes, something like that.
Yeah.
It'll be really nice. And we had a really good day. We were really afraid of going over here, honestly, because it's been really...
I think we might have caught dinner.
Oh, should we continue?
Maybe. We saw quite some fish.
Caught a lot of seagrass today though, so I won't hold my breath. But...
Hey, fish!
What did you catch? Leo just caught a fish.
The skipjack tuna.
Hey!
They're really nice.
Yeah.
Now I need a bucket.
very roly anchorage. You guys are sort of balanced and everything's off on some pillows because everything is going. And you're feeling really bad this morning, aren't you? Here we go again. Is Kai still on board? Kai's out on deck.
Yeah, he's fine. No, it's okay. It was really nice until we went to bed yesterday, and then the rolling started.
Yeah.
Which, if it hadn't happened earlier, we might have been able to put an anchor or something, or we might have just continued. But anyway.
Anyway, so we got rudely interrupted by the fish that you caught. That was the highlight, right? Yes.
Yeah, and then we had fish for dinner.
This is really nice, yes.
And it was calm enough, and then, yeah.
And I did some shark research this morning while Leo was sleeping in a little bit. And I think what we saw would either have been a mako shark, or we saw, which I think is very likely, actually a hammerhead shark. Because I also found articles that less than like 10 days ago they actually put warnings on a beach not too far from here because there were hammerhead sharks quite close to shore. So it's very likely it was hammerhead, and also from the way, I mean it was a brief view, but I think it could have been a hammerhead shark.
Not basking shark.
No, it was too small for that, but it was still quite big. I think it was like 2 meters. Definitely the shark, yeah.
Perfect size to eat kai.
Yeah. Anyway, should we get some breakfast and get out of here?
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want one of my tablets?
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah, let's go. Bye.
Right, we'll catch up with you later. This is not so much fun.
He's not a dog. He's not a dog. He's the head. He's the head for Penilla's head. Bit stressed, the puppy, huh?
Because everything fell down.
What everything? It's just the pen, the lifer, jacket. It's a bit windy. Some gusts of 23. But we are pushing really hard against the wind, just so we don't need to tuck so much. Yeah, we hope to get up to here, and then the wind sort of changes a bit more to the northeast, but hopefully we don't need to tuck anymore. We'll see.
How's the wind, babe?
Up and down, left and right. From zero,
like a Mega J song.
from 0 to what we're gonna have now, 25 knots.
Oh, sorry, say again?
From 0 knots to
this, shite.
23, 24.
It's okay, Kai. Just stay there. Good boy.
It's okay, only 3.4 nautical miles left if we get a spot. If not,
and it's more of this shit.
Then I give up.
Yeah.
I go back.
No. You never go back. Never go back. Yeah. Sit by Daddy's foot. That's much better. Yes. Whee. And excuse the poo-poo on the deck. I'll just quickly go away. So I got all in all a bit painful today, yeah? The beginning of the day was lovely, and now it's...
What?
Now we're fighting for the last 4 nautical miles or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Leo hasn't slept well for 2 days, and he's a bit seasick, tired, he has a headache. Yeah. Not a happy crew today.
Hello.
Good morning, guys. We made it to Gran Canaria.
Yeah.
Tarjal, whatever. We made it to a harbour in Fuerteventura, where we actually been before. We came here on our way down, yes. Yeah, and now we're taking a day off because it's blowing quite hard and it wasn't very much fun yesterday. Well, it was good in the beginning of the sail.
Yeah, but then we had to tug against 25 knots of
Yeah.
gusting wind, so not so good.
It kept turning on us. At one point I felt like we were about to go circles.
Yeah, it did.
And the waves, and the next sort of jump would be straight into the wind and quite some waves, and we just decided maybe just go tomorrow where the hopefully will be less intense.
Yeah, we also don't really have a plan because there's quite the storm coming.
Yeah.
And harbors here on Fuerteventura are relatively cheaper than on Lanzarote. Lanzarote, it's all
like just to compare. Last time we went this harbour, we paid maybe €12.
Yeah,
I'm not sure what we're paying now because then you just pay online and it's the whole thing, but it should be around there. And our friends who just went to the next port, they paid €9 and they have the same length, boat length.
A bit smaller.
Maybe it doesn't matter. But if you go to Lanzarote, the cheapest option is Arrecife. But they will only give us a berth that's for 16-meter boats.
Yeah, or 14.
Or 14, whatever. They want us to pay €28 per night.
And that would be...
So the problem is that there is a storm coming up. So if we go... There are a few anchorage options around Lanzarote, but they're not great, especially not if there's a storm, which means that we could get stuck paying €28 per day.
For 10 days.
Yeah, for 10 days.
And then we broke.
So, on the other hand, we have friends in Lanzarote that we really want to see. Friends that are there on vacation that we haven't seen for years. And also our new sailing buddies are there. And we want to be able to sail with them. And we're afraid that... Not afraid, but... a bit worried that a window going to Madeira will open up. And then we will be more than a day's sail behind. So, what to do? What to do?
Nothing.
Leo has... Okay, also an update. Leo was not feeling great yesterday. We found out that it was withdrawal symptoms, that he hadn't had enough coffee. As soon as we were here and you got a coffee, your headache and everything went away, yeah. So... But
we're good again. And we had our fish, our tuna, it was really tasty. We made a nice salad with it.
Yes, it was really nice.
Very tasty. Even Kai had some.
Yeah. So right now we're just trying to figure out where we're gonna go next.
Yeah. To the supermarket.
And, it's a bit
and I'm going to the toilet.
And it's a bit stressful. Do we need to say anything else update-wise?
No.
No, just... We don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so small steps right now. But... Yeah. The weather's nice, so we can't really complain.
No.
Are you ready, Kai? We're going! It's a bit loud here. Pretty nice up there.
Update is...
It's very windy, so...
It's very windy, very confusing weather, as always. Plans change by the hour. Now the
forecast
storm
did like a 180 on us.
So now we see some potential good weather to cross to Madeira by the end of the forecast, so we need to head up further north if we can.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try.
But today is gonna be tricky, so we don't know if we can make it, but...
We will try.
We actually were supposed to only go to the next harbour in Fuerteventura, but now we will try to go to the southern tip of Lanzarote and see if we can book a very expensive harbour for 4 days.
In Lanzarote.
Yes. Well, we'll see. Maybe we will be back here in an hour.
Spain's future sailing.
Yeah, let's film them. They're so cute. They're making Kai a bit nervous.
Okay,
you know, they're not quite in control. The safety officer is not happy with the situation there. But they have a grown-up with them, Kai. They will be okay.
We motored way too long. We decided to go, and then the wind was supposed to be here at 3 o'clock, but now it's nearly 7. and it only starts now. Hopefully it won't get too strong. It's, yeah, nearly about time to switch off the motor, and I think we're gonna arrive maybe at 11 o'clock tonight, probably on a rolly anchorage. So not great, but then at least tomorrow we are in Arrecife. But as you can see, it's really weird weather. It's like all cloudy and now, and a lot of sand in the air. So there's the first good gust. So stay tuned. I better get the sails ready before everything flies around. See you. And there we go.
Okay, so it's a bit windy.
Yeah, it's gotten up, but now it's going down. But I think we are seeing like a drifting kite surfer with a kite in the air.
And it's like, at least, it's about gusting to what? 30 something knots?
Yeah, and it's 7:30.
It's going dark.
He's going straight for Africa, so.
And he's still pretty far away from us, but we'll try and see him. Maybe I'll try and get the radio on. We're still not totally sure what.
Yeah, no. 70%.
Okay, so we call the radio?
Yeah, let's get closer. I mean, we haven't in visual, so.
Yeah, okay. There's no way you can see it on the camera, but it's pretty far out. Like, hopefully somebody's already going there to save him. But the kite is still in the air. So far, so good. Maybe he spotted us. Who knows? Poor guy or girl.
There might be a boat there, but I'm not sure.
No. But we're going towards it.
I think I can see a boat, but...
Okay. Alright, somebody's already going.
So now they're landing it.
Yeah, okay, good. We already heard a person overboard on the radio, but that's south of Gran Canaria, so that's really far away, nothing we can do there, but a bit scary right now. And the wind also really, it went from 0 to 100 really fast. So, few people probably got surprised. Good morning! We've really missed this, waking up in an anchorage, and this one is even relatively calm. It's not rolly at all. So, it's so lovely, but storm's coming and we have to go into the marina, but really enjoying this in the meantime. Right, Kai? Right? You enjoying yourself? Yeah, good boy. Leo is insisting on going for maybe a last swim off the boat in the Canaries. And I won't join him.
No, you will watch out for the sharks.
I will watch out for the sharks. My thinking is just that we already saw what I'm pretty sure was a hammerhead shark while sailing, and might not be able to see. It's a fish farm.
I think it's like a mussel farm. I don't think.
Yeah, but you don't know. You don't know, and fish farms attract sharks. And that's what I read when I read about sharks in the Canaries, is that they tend to go where the fish farms are.
I have a chance of seeing them.
Yeah. You're so brave.
No, I'm just gonna swim once around the boat.
How funny will it be while you are halfway around if I just scream, shark?
It will not be very funny.
It will not be funny. Okay, so I should not do that.
No.
No, only if I actually see a shark. Okay, let's go!
Yeah, about the situation. Now you ruined it.
I'm sorry.
I will not be relaxed. It's still a little bit cold, so.
Hi, calm down. Kai, you're making all the dogs bark. Kai. Oh, try not to sneak dog poop. Did you get eaten? Oh, he's there, Kai. You're looking the wrong way. He's there. You're barking at the wrong thing. Wait, you're not very good at this, Kai. You're not very good at this. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. You survived, babe! Yoo-hoo!
Yeah.
You survived.
Ah.
So proud of you. You're very brave.
Tell you, if there had even been one reported shark attack in the Canary, you wouldn't have seen me in there.
There was one once.
When?
2000 and noughties, I think.
Did they die?
No.
Okay. My little kettle shower.
Yeah.
I have my towel. Where are we going?
To see the visit.
To see?
To see the visit.
Which visit?
Visit.
The Wizard.
The Wizard of Oz.
Ah.
You're off to see the Wizard.
We now.
No idea what I'm talking about.
We now have south wind.
Yeah, we're going to the sea.
Predicted is northwest wind, and you can't see it, but the wind turbines back there, they are turning with north wind.
Thank you, Grandpa.
So the weather's really crazy. So yesterday what happened as well is like we had onshore wind and suddenly it blew offshore with 30-40 knots. So same might happen today, but we hope that we will make it.
It was forecasted to do that, but not
like that.
Not that strong.
Oh.
Not at all. Just twice as strong as it.
So we had a funny night at anchor.
Yeah.
It was quite windy, but not
Well, it
too
was
rolly.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
So once we felt confident about the anchor holding that wind,
Yeah, it was
I
okay.
think we slept quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there were a few gusts of 30 knots where it's, you know,
Yeah.
it's not so fun, but.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you haven't.
And then tomorrow we're gonna see our friends that we haven't seen in 3 years almost.
Yes.
This is kind of crazy. So that will be really fun. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Kai's doing great. He's really loving it.
Yeah.
Well, that's good news.
Bye.